Choosing a CRM in 2026, you have probably come across Streak CRM and HubSpot. While both help you manage customers and sales, they are built for very different users. In this video, I'll compare them side by side so you can decide which one fits your workflow. Intro. Streak and HubSpot are both popular CRMs, but they take completely different approaches. Streak lives inside Gmail, while HubSpot is a full-featured CRM platform with marketing, sales, and customer service tools. Let's compare the most important differences. Ease of use. Streak CRM is designed for Gmail users. It works directly inside your inbox, so there is almost no learning curve. If you already spend your day in Gmail, it feels very natural. HubSpot has a standalone dashboard with many more features. It's still beginner friendly, but you will need more time to learn everything. Winner, Streak for simplicity. Features. Streak offers the essentials: contact and pipeline management, email tracking, mail merge, shared pipelines, workflow automation. HubSpot goes much further with advanced sales pipelines, marketing automation, email campaigns, customer support tools, reporting and analytics, AI-powered assistance, large integration marketplace. If your business needs more than basic sales management, HubSpot offers a much broader ecosystem. Winner, HubSpot. Pricing and best for. Streak has a free plan and affordable paid options, making it a great choice for freelancers, consultants, recruiters, and small teams that mainly work from Gmail. HubSpot also has a free CRM, but many advanced features require higher tier plans, which can become expensive as your business grows. If you need a lightweight CRM, Streak is usually the better value. If you are building a growing sales and marketing team, HubSpot's extra cost may be worth it. Verdict. Choose Streak CRM if you work mostly in Gmail, if you want a simple CRM, if you are a freelancer or a small business, if you prefer lower costs. Choose HubSpot if you need advanced CRM features, if you want marketing and customer service tools in one platform, if your business is growing, and if you need detailed reporting and automation. For most individuals and small teams, Streak is easier and more affordable. For growing companies that need an all-in-one business platform, HubSpot is the stronger long-term solution. If this comparison helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more quick AI and software comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.